Hello, my name is Leidy Murillo. I am a student in Business Administration and CEAT Bogota. I express my opinion about the technology on the environment. Um, the effects on the environment, the technological advance, it's negatively affecting the ecosystem because the companies destroy the environment to build building in that where there is nature. And furthermore, the industrial sector in Colombia destroys the seas and reverse killing the animals and life. The climate change in the last decades has been affected by pollution. Do not recycle, recycle the save the oceans, the pollute the streets, the nature, and the oceans. All these effects is produced the global warming. The people don't know recycle it, and they pollute the streets, and they pollute nature and the oceans because is don't consider the importance. And 8 million tons of plastic ends and of ocean air is very important. Save the ocean. I consider the impact of technology developed on consumers make us people to forget the importance of the environment for being focused in technology. If current trends continue, our ecosystem will disappear. According to different companies, technology is very important to mitigate global warming. The United Nations on the list of the development goals is climate action for generate actions that create technological advance like electric cars and about the destruction of the environment. The technology may have a positive effect to improve campaigns to recycle to people. You say the technology to teach the people, to childrens, is creating cars, electric cars, and the protection of the environment. Thank you.